the Lirila's past. I'm sorry guys, because I didn't know that I cut the video. So now, I am doing it again. So now, Lirila has grown some spikes on its body because of what he eats that fell on the sky. He was so full. He slept for a few moments at a carton he saw. Lirila says, what a sleepy day today. Now, a few moments later, Lirila woke up and knew it's time for the escape. Let's run. Let's run. And the part 2 was tomorrow by Topi Ibanez.